So this is another version of the bird. The other one was a duck. This one will be another one, maybe chicken. So just watch it carefully. So that is the wing. So that's the mouth of it. As you can see, it came out so beautifully well. So this is another one we are making. So just watch it carefully. Then you segment it. So it came out so well. That's the eyes. I'm making my animal braid now. I'll bake it until it's golden brown. Hello guys, this is the outcome of the animal braid that I did. This one is duck. This is chicken. So as you can see, this is the leg. So it came out so well. So this one is the bird. The bird wants to fly. See the small mouth. So that is the bird and the duck. Or you can say chicken, anyhow you want to call it. You can give a name to it. So it came out so well, as I said. So let me test one. Are you there? So I'm going to test one now. Look at it. It's very soft and light. Soft and light. So practice it. It's not difficult. It's very easy. If you follow my steps, step by step, you get it so right. You get it very well. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm a senior chef. I have a lot of recipes. The one you know, the one you don't know. So key onto it so that you will reap the fruit. So thank you so much for watching. Let me tell you one thing. Not every time you are buying bread from the store. It's not every day you must buy bread. Try and produce your own bread. Make your own bread for your visitors, for your family. They will appreciate it more than the one from the store. The one you made in the house, you have a lot of ingredients that is good for your body than the one in the store, the mass production. So try it out. You will not regret. Bye-bye. I love you guys. Bye.
I love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Foodies. Bye.